Hi, it's David Bear here from the Prepared Group, and in this video, I'm going to be discussing the new platform, Mailbox Power. So if you are a business owner and you're looking for an effective way to stay in front of your current clients or even your prospects so that you can nurture the relationship, then Mailbox Power is something you're going to want to check out. So one of the things we certainly believe is true about your ability to sell and sell more to your clients is the importance of delivering an exceptional experience and helping people remember that you exist and reminding them how much they enjoy working with you. And so Mailbox Power gives you the ability to, through automation, stay in front of your existing clients or even your prospects in a way that's going to be meaningful to them and put a smile on their face. So let's dive into the platform. The general idea behind Mailbox Power is very, very simple. It allows you to set up campaigns similar to setting up automated email campaigns, but in this case, this is leveraging the direct postal mail to send both cards as well as gifts to your prospects and clients. And so you have the ability to set up campaigns perhaps around their birthday or around some anniversary, maybe the anniversary of them doing business with you, or some special occasion. And you can set up all kinds of special campaigns. Maybe it's a card. Maybe it's a card with a gift card to Amazon or Starbucks. Maybe you want to include a brownie or a little treat for them, some gourmet coffee. And there's other things that you can include as well. One of the really popular things on this platform is customized mugs and other drinkware. So let me show you quickly how the platform works. So there's a ton of different features in here. I'm not going to cover everything, but you'll get a general sense of how you can easily customize and create fun cards and other things that you can send to your prospects and your customers. Now, there are all kinds of different cards here. For simplicity, I'm just going to grab this one here. Now, you have the ability to either start from scratch or start from a template. I want to show you some of the different templates that exist inside of this platform when it comes to the types of cards that you can create. So you'll see there's birthday cards, there's a card with a calendar, there's ones that you can actually buy that license that somebody's already done the hard work of figuring out, the designs for you, or you can set up, ones based on a simple design that's also free. So you can see this one is free. This one-time purchase of $1.99. You can use this over and over and over again. Now there's some which are actually campaigns, and let me see if I can find some of those campaigns. So here's a multi-product collection. So if you want to have like different holiday themes, for example. Let's see what else we have here. Nice to meet you. So this is for somebody who you've just met in person, or you've had an initial meeting with, a coffee meeting with. Maybe you met them at a networking event, and you can send them a follow-up card. Now you can go in and actually customize any of these as well. So let's say I want to grab this. This is a great one from a Zoom call. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this. I'm going to add it to our account. Now this is one that's free, so I don't have to pay to access this. And now I can go in and customize this. So let's say you can see the different pieces of it. There's the front of the card, the inside of the card, and the back of the card. And I'm going to go ahead and edit the design. Now this is an example of what you can do on any of the customizable products, including gifts and other things as well. So nice to meet you, a little Zoom reminiscent photo, and then you can customize their first name simply by adding them into a campaign and then dropping this in so that you can say, hey, I want to send everybody I meet on a Zoom call. I'm going to collect their contact info, and then I'm going to drop them into a campaign, and this might be the nice to meet you campaign, for example. So I actually like the way that this is set up, but let's say I wanted to enlarge the text here. Let's get rid of that. I can actually just adjust the size of the text simply by playing around with that. Maybe I want to do a slightly different font. I can change the font here. I've got to go back and select that again. That's a little bit too bold, so let's see if I can find something else that I like. Okay, well now it looks like they're touching a little too much. So what do I need to do? I need to go in here and I can transform it by moving it up a little bit. Actually, that was the meet you that I selected, or the nice to. I can move that up a little bit as well. All right, so you can see I have the ability to tweak different things. Let's go into the inside of the card. Now, on the inside of the card, they've already suggested some text here, but I don't have anything happening here on the left-hand side of the card. Let's say I want to put something there, like my image, so that they will remember that they met me. Well, previously I actually uploaded a bunch of images. Let me go grab one of the images. Okay, there's an image of me. Actually, let's do the slightly more casual one. I'm just going to drag this over here, and there you go. So now there's a picture of me. Now, that's not a great picture because my arms are folded. Maybe it gives the wrong idea, so I'm going to delete that, and let's replace it with this one. Okay, there you go. I got my smiling face, and now on this side, it says, hi, first name, and again, so it looks like handwriting. It'll insert the first name. Looking forward to talking again soon. Great meeting you on the Zoom call today. Please don't hesitate to reach out if I can help you with anything. Now, I can actually go in simply by, selecting it, and I can change any of the text here. So maybe I don't want to get this sent out today. I want to say yesterday or last week's, and then I can actually give them, my email address, or I can include my phone number in here if I want to. But that gives you an idea of how that works. Now I can say sincerely, and then it says return first name. That would be me if I had that pre-programmed. But let's say, I want to have my actual name, let's say I went by Dave instead of David, which I don't, by the way. But I could actually, type the name. I don't know why I'm having trouble. Sincerely, David Bear. There we go. And, maybe I don't want my phone number there. I wanted to include it. Actually, sure. So, I could type in my phone number. It actually will automatically do it. Maybe I want to offset that a little bit. So, let's transform it. And let's put it over here. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Maybe I want to enlarge it a little bit. Actually, I need to do that here so that, sometimes your signature is a little bit bigger. So there you go. I got that. And I'm pretty happy with it. Now let's go ahead and on the back, I can customize. So here's like the return first name and last name. That'll automatically pull from my account, my return phone number, email, website. But let's say I don't want all those things. I can actually replace that with anything I want, including nothing. In this case, let's just say the prepared group, and then the prepared group.com, and that's all I want. Now, in addition to that, let's say I want to put our logo in. That's something else I uploaded, and I uploaded it in a .png file so that background that you see there is still going to show. So I have that blue background with our logo. Now this area down at the bottom, this is for the barcode that goes on all the cards so that they can process it over at the main printing area. And there you go. So now I have my card, and if I want to preview it, I can check it out. And there you go. I got the outside, the inside, and then the back cover. And I can go ahead and add it to the cart. Now, there's a whole bunch of different things that I can include this with, but basically this could be, as I said, like a campaign. So let's say I wanted to have a campaign. Let's go over and look at some of the campaigns, campaign builder. Here's some different campaigns that we have set up. When we have a new client, we can send them something. When we have a people we're trying to do outreach to, we can set up a campaign for that. We have a new client welcome box. We can send them one. But let's say I want to do create a campaign. Actually, I have the ability to name a campaign. Then it could be a drip campaign, so over a series of dates around a specific event, on their birthday or on their anniversary, for example. Now, one other thing I can show you quickly is, I don't want to reveal anybody in our address book, so I'm going to actually leave it as is. Let's go back over to the design store. So here we are in the campaign store, and there are actually campaigns built out for different industries in here. Now, if I'm looking for an industry that I can't find, I can always go with the generic business. I'll go ahead and click that. And then you can see there are all different types of campaigns that have been pre-built. Let's take a look at this one. This is the Fun Holiday campaign. Again, a one-time fee. You can get a license to be able to use this. And what this will allow you to do is to send a popcorn and a popcorn-related card on January 14th. On February 14th, there's a one that's with pistachio nuts. You can see there's sort of different things. This is not traditional holidays, but these sort of odd days that are being celebrated that will put a smile on somebody's face when they get a card at some oddball day somewhere in the middle of the year. And you can actually just import this directly into your account, or you can create these from scratch if you'd like to create custom ones. Again, with all the custom imagery that you'd like, with your own photo and all of that in there as well. And then what you do is you simply say, you met John at a networking event, and you hit it off. You send him a card to have a meeting. You have a meeting with him. He hires you, and you say, great, well, I'm going to, John is a new customer of mine. I'm going to send the Fun Holiday campaign, or my custom version of it, to all new clients for a full year after they become clients. And all you do is you take John, you add him to the campaign, and it automates the entire process for you over the course of the next year. So that's how simple this is. Incredibly powerful in staying in front of your clients and in getting them to remember you and remember you fondly, so that they continue to buy from you and they refer others to you as well. So if you're interested in checking out Mailbox Power, please, by all means, go ahead and click the link below this video, which is cardsforclients.com. That'll take you over to our referral page, where you'll get to see the details behind what is inside Mailbox Power. You can browse the site for yourself, and you can even try it out for free. So go ahead and click that link to cardsforclients.com. And thanks so much for checking out my video about Mailbox Power.